The main purpose of this project is to introduce a method of effectively utilizing food waste as a plant fertilizer by composting it and burying it underground. This project aims to provide a healthier and better alternative to the rather conventional chemical fertilizers which is widely used. The goal of this project is to deal with the growing amount of food waste that is ending up in the landfills in a useful manner and to extract its full potential by allowing the plant to make use of it. The project went smoothly. Since all of us are very dedicated to this project, we fulfilled our responsibility of sustaining and protecting the environment.
And here, there's a visual understanding of how this process is going to happen. Food waste usually can be meat, fish, cooked food scraps, moldy bread, bone remnants, cakes, expired meals, dairy products, fruits and vegetables. But here in this experiment, we'll be using vegetable food waste. The ice that you see for this chamber is needed for the moisture and to facilitate the speed of the reaction. And as you can see from the timeline, each day, the more the reaction goes, the higher the decomposition happens. Microorganisms have an important role in the process decomposing of food waste. Various types of microorganisms jointly decompose food waste. Microorganisms develop according to the temperature of the decomposing process, which indicates various kinds of decomposition process. At food processing site needs to add microorganisms from outside. Based on previous research, shows that the use of mature and stable compost can be used as a source of microorganisms to accelerate the decomposition process. That's how we get the product, and later we will use them as organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers is a fertilizer that can be used by waste products such as compost and manure. Organic substance in organic fertilizers can improve biological, physical, and chemical properties of soil when added into soil. The production of the organic fertilizers can decrease the environmental contamination and increase the quality of sustainable land.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is our cool project, and in this part we're gonna have an interview with one of my friends. Basically her name is Salsa, and her family owns a farm in Sarawak, Malaysia, and she has experience regarding those kind of fertilizers, organic fertilizers, and we would like to ask her some of questions. Welcome, Salsa, first of all.
Yeah, thank you.
My first question is, I'll be rushing, I only have 3 questions since the video is going to be short. My first question is, what's your experience with this type of fertilizers?
Okay, my experience using the fertilizer, basically the organic fertilizer, was totally good because this is only cost effective where we can find the food waste easily, but it also helps us to grow our vegetables and food healthier.
Thank you. My second question is, can you compare between the non-chemical and chemical fertilizers?
Yeah, as I can see, there are huge difference for the plant nutrition itself because chemical fertilizers are very salty and they extract the moisture from the soil. But while organic fertilizer, they strengthen the natural process on the land and feed not only the plant but also the soil.
Alright. My final and last question is, looking this in depth, what does it add to our Muslim community or in our community generally?
Okay, in my opinion, adopting this type of fertilizer, it will protect and will add more value to the nature, as we protecting the nature is a part of ibadah. It will benefit us both in the real world and the hereafter. Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us, and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This is going to be the end of our session. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome, sir.